Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-coated strawberry, full guide. Prepare fresh strawberries, quality chocolate, and a lined tray before you begin. I will guide you through washing, drying, melting, dipping, and cooling in simple steps. Learn quick tempering alternatives, flavor variations, and storage tips to keep berries fresh and chocolate crisp. This friendly walkthrough keeps things easy to follow and perfect for gifts or parties. Start by chopping chocolate into small pieces so it melts evenly and smoothly. Use a double boiler over low heat or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring between intervals. If chocolate thickens, stir in a small teaspoon of neutral oil or cocoa butter to improve flow and shine. Keep chocolate warm for dipping but not hot, and work in small batches to maintain consistent texture and glossy finish for beautiful results. Grip each strawberry by the stem and dip about 2/3 into the melted chocolate, twisting slightly to coat evenly. Let excess drip off, then place it on parchment and gently rotate to prevent flat spots. Decorate immediately with nuts, sprinkles, or a contrasting white chocolate drizzle while the coating is still wet. Chill briefly to set, then return to room temperature before serving to maintain crisp chocolate and juicy berries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.